GLP's Telegraph Hill pipe tobacco from November 1st, 2018. A little bit of a bulge this time. Oh, not too bad. This smells. A hiss smell, air. Fermented Virginia. Citrusy. This is a loose cut. It's packed in there. You want a full review of this, you want to know what it tastes like, you're going to have to subscribe because full video format is the review and the smoking of it. Welcome back to another review, and today we are talking about GLP's Telegraph Hill, and this is a loose cut vapor, plain and simple. I'm smoking this from 2018, as you saw the tin opening. This is another excellent offering from GLP. It's been around since I think 05 or something like that. It's been around a while. Still available. You can get it in the 2-ounce tin, which that's what this is, and the 8-ounce tins are also available of this blend. So it's, you know, you've seen it. It's a loose cut Virginia Perique vapor. That's what a vapor is, a classic vapor, Virginia Perique. So, how does this compare to a Scudo? Now, a Scudo is always known as the vapor, the top vapor to compare everything to. You know, it's the top daddy. You know, because it's been around for so long. It's easy to compare it to, and it's just something as new vapors come out, and like over the years, it's like, well, that's what compared to a Scudo, because like everybody knows a Scudo. So it's one of those easy things to default Scudo into the Mac Daddy. So, well, it has that typical C&D taste. So if you smoke it fresh, you're gonna have the green aspect of it. If you let it age, you'll have those nice nuances, aged Virginias. You know, the deep woodiness and all that, the sweetness. The vapor adds some spice, some figgy notes. There's not a lot of, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of Perique in this, but it's there. You can see it in the mixture, the dark pieces. Or is the Perique. So yeah, this is a good if you're not into the flake scene yet, but you want to get into vapors, I think this is a good try. So that's basically where I'm at with it. It's kind of an all-day smoke. It's about medium strength. It's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna knock you out, but it has this nice sweetness to it. It's close to, I guess, you know, what I had not that long ago, the 3 Friars. I believe it was a little bit burly in that one. It's different. It's different, but it reminds me of it. Okay, it reminds me of it. It means they're close. But in this case, this is straight vapor, straight Virginia Perique, and like I said, this is a good starter if somebody wants to move out of arrows, out of Englishes, they don't know where to go. They haven't been playing with flakes. They don't know how to prep it. They don't know the drying process. It's too much work. excuse after excuse. Well, here you go. This is a nice loose cut. It doesn't take long to dry because there's so much surface area. You know, when you have a smaller cut, a finer cut, there's a lot of surface area. And when there's a lot of surface area, it dries out quicker. And what I mean by surface area is, you know, the flakes are not thick, you know, like some of these Galwood flakes. You know, they're not thick like this this Bic. And when they're this thick, it's going to take forever for the center, you know, the center of this, the moisture to come out. It's going to take forever for that to dry. This, with these little thin cuts, it dries out quick. So yeah, this is a good one. Let's see if I can get some more flavor going. I want to actually smoke this bowl and not talk. So let's get going here. All right, and you know, it's the same sweetness that I remember from previous bowls. And you know, when I do these reviews, you know, I've had this years ago. It's nothing new to me, this blend. But when I do these reviews, I tend to smoke almost 3/4 of what I have open, what I dried out, usually 2 ounces, unless it's a 175 ounce tin, before I even give my opinion on it. Even though, you know, using these meerschaums, it's pretty consistent. Yeah, nice subtle sweetness. Again, with the cut, you know, it's very fine. I think this is when the time they were doing that so-called confetti cut, where it's real fine. And you know, you have to pack it different. You have to pack it a little bit more tighter than, you know, like a flake cut, like a ready rubbed cut, and you have to smoke it a little bit slower, because you have a lot of surface area lit. Again, with the surface area, that takes in consideration your drying time, how fast it dries, the packing, on how you're going to pack your pipe, and how you're going to smoke it. So all that has to you have to consider all that. That's why when I made that series, the Chronicles of Pipe Smoking, I talked about sticking with one blend for a while to learn how to smoke, because then you're going to know when you go to a different blend and a different cut, you know right then and there, oh man, this is a whole different animal. And every blend you come across is a different animal. So it says you're not going to master it in 6 months. This takes years, because it takes so much effort into trying different stuff. You got to find what you like. You got to find what range you like vapors, or vapors with a little twist to it, you know, like a little bit of burley. Or maybe you like arrows, you like vanilla, but you don't like cherry. You know, it's endless. So if you're new, I know there's a handful of new guys, you know, are looking. I see the questions come up. So just refer to my informational stuff. Watch it a few times. If you don't understand it, watch it 2-3 times. There's no harm in that. So download the video, save it. It doesn't matter. There's no harm in that either. But if you're wondering what the hell this is meerschaum, even though it looks like it's an L-Tang style pipe. Got this from Meerschaum Depot. I have seen them pop up around different places. It's very, very light. It's very, very light. The stem is carbon fiber. Now the tip comes off, but it doesn't come off here. Kind of bummer, but just a brief description on that, because this is kind of a pipe where people ask questions. So, all right, blend. Yeah, very good. Telegraph Hill. Vapor, ribbon cut. Good starter into vapor. If you're not too sure about the flakes. Nice sweetness. Medium strength. You can smoke it on a nice spring day. You know, spring and summer, I kind of like. It's my opinion on that. So and you can enjoy it in a nice walk in a park, like right behind me. Till next time, have a good one.